Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this tutorial today, I'm going to quickly go through how to fix Goat mobile app not working. So if you're having issue with your app not working, so some of the solutions or tips that you can try. Firstly, make sure that you're using the latest version of the Goat app. So what you can do is go to your Play Store. So open up your Play Store and then search up for Goat and then see if you are using the latest version of the app. So if there is an update option here, so try to update the app. At the moment I don't have any because I'm using the latest version, so that's one option that you can try. And apart from that, if that doesn't work, so what you can do, you can try to clear your cache. So what you can do, so open up your settings, or you can simply go to your app settings through by clicking on the icon here. So what you can do, so go to your settings and go to your app settings. So open up the Goat app here. So once this loads here, so what you're going to do, go click on the storage option. So once you click on the storage option, try to clear the cache. So click on the clear cache down here. So click on clear cache and try to reopen this app and see if that fixes the issue. And finally, if it doesn't, so what you can do, you can completely delete this app. So try to completely uninstall this app and then reinstall it back from the Apple Store or Play Store and see how if that works. So hopefully this should fix up your issue, and I hope this video is helpful to you all. I will see you in another video. Thank you.